Steve here from Greenway Outdoor Maintenance. It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon at 2:30 in the afternoon. My little white trailer, right inside my trailer, which have my mowers out there. So I just got done mowing my yard, my neighbor's lot, trimming below, and all yada yada yada. Anyway, about 2 months ago we had a hailstorm here. As I filmed some of it for you guys if you watch my past videos. If you notice, my vent cover is missing because it got hailed on. I had it all nicely taped together, as I will show you. There it is. Well, about 2 weeks ago it finally came off, broke off, and all that. That's all that's left of my old vent cover. Voila! There's my new vent cover. That there is supposed to look like that there. Haha. So I got to figure out how I hook it on up there. I kind of know. I got to go up on my roof. And I got to replace, it looks like, not this arm, but the arm. Turn that down so the sun's not on. You see that arm there? Right here where this part is. I got to replace my screen too. Glue it in. But that is on this new one here. Now, as you can see, I'm not doing very good showing this, but this part here is, there's a little keeper washer there. Nothing big and fancy, but I mean, it's not that hard to do. And on this end here, so I get up on my hot roof on the, what is it, 80 degrees out there today. I'm gonna get up on my roof there, and it just slides in and clips in. It's nothing big and major, but hold on, let me get my ladder, and we shall see what happens up on the roof. Okay guys, I'm up on my trailer roof. There are supports here on each side of this opening here, this vent. First off, you got to take off this little clip here, little clip that disengages the thingy bopper there. I probably should have rolled this down. Okay, roll it down here. That ain't gonna work. No. I'll cheat a little bit here. This part's going to be thrown away anyway, so I don't have to worry if I bend this part up. There we go. And as you can see, that comes off, slides out. Pretty snazzy, huh? And we open up the new one. And hopefully this is the right size. You shall find out real quick. They measured it and they said it was the right size, so I'm going to kind of get that in the hole there. There we go. I guess I don't do that first. I got to slide in this one first. And on each end of this, these little clips, you bend them down a little bit, or bend them up, whichever the case may be. And I got some holes all the way up. Huh. Oh, this is the right size for my cover or not. It looks like the right size. I gotta figure out how to get that. Nope. I have to bend it because that little hole doesn't allow me to. That's how it's supposed to go on, but I can't get in the crack here if I do that, so I'm going to put it on like this. We're going to cheat a little bit here. I'm going to screw over this side. I'm going to kind of bend it a little bit to go. What nice thing about aluminum, it's soft, pliable, and all that good stuff. And then you take this little clip here. I kind of do it this way here. I get my fat little pidgey fingers in here. Put it on. I'm doing it from the wrong side. It's part of my problem. The roof is slightly hot, so I've got a towel to lay down on here, or a blanket. There we go. Well, it's not rocket science how to put it on, that's for sure. Okay, guys. There's my new vent cover. Now let's go down below and see if I can it'll crank up and down for me. We'll find out real quick. One part getting off the roof of the ladder. I'm getting older. Up on tall things with short ladders bothers me. I don't know how it does with you guys, but that does bother me a little bit. There's my old vent cover right there. Here's my new vent cover. She goes down pretty good. And that should keep the snow out this winter. I'm going to have to re-glue the screen down a little bit. There we go. Wasn't too hard, guys. So it was nice and easy. I am done for the day. I don't know what the temperature is out here. According to my watch, it's 85. And here it is, the, what is it, the 10th? I can tell you real quick, the 9th of September. In 2 years, it's 9/11, the 20th anniversary of 9/11, or whatever anniversary they call that anyway. Tragic event in our history. Should never happen, but it did. Anyway, all set, all done. If you want to know what kind of blanket this is, it's an old World War II blanket. Solid wool. It'll keep you warm. It'll also keep you hot in the winter, summertime. Hot and cool, warm in the wintertime. Got this from her uncle who passed away years ago. It was in her grandfather's shed when he passed away. We cleaned out his garage. I found blankets, I found knives, World War II knives, all sorts of stuff. Only I didn't find was any guns. Anyway, guys, that's the easy part of putting in a new vent cover. Not rocket science. It's fairly simple. And I'm gonna have to find some glue or something. I think it's just maybe I can unscrew these 4 screws and probably take that off, which is probably what I'll do. And glue that screen back down on there. That's for another day project. Anyway, this is Steve. Like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me some comments down below. You all have a great rest of your Sunday afternoon. Talk to y'all later. Hit that like button, all that groovy stuff you guys do with YouTube. Have fun. Talk to y'all later. It is time to go jump in the pool. Hit that like button, all the good stuff. Talk to you later. Bye.